friends, welcome to the next lecture in the series of Arduino Let's Arduino, and in this lecture we'll be seeing interfacing of gas sensor. Now gas sensors are MQ series sensors which is manufactured by a company called as Figaro. Now already I have explained in my last lecture that gas sensor works on the principle of thermal conductivity. So the moment gas passes on the sensor, the thermal conductivity of the coil inside that changes, which changes the resistance. So the concentration of gas is converted into the change in resistance. Now here in this circuit, now let's see first about the sensor. Now for this sensor, this is pin number B1, pin number B2 and pin number H2, and here there is pin number A1, A2 and H1. Now let's see how they are interfaced. Pin number B1, B2 and H2 are connected to VCC. Pin number H1 is connected to ground. Pin number A1 is connected through resistance to ground, and pin number A2 is the output pin. So here B1, H2 and B2 are connected to VCC or 5 volts. A2 pin is the output pin, and these both are ground pins. So I hope the construction and the connection of gas sensor is clear. Now here I have used 4 LEDs. Now depending upon the concentration of gas, this LED will turn on. So by default, green LED, when it is on, it says there is no gas present in the atmosphere. So pin number 4, 5, 6 and 7 are connected to LED. So fine, I hope this interfacing is clear to you. And now let's see the coding part. Now here gas sensor is connected to pin number A1, green LED to pin number 7, yellow to 6, orange to 5 and red to 4. Now in this setup, I have made green as output, yellow as output, orange as output and red as output because these are the output devices. This is in the setup. In the loop, I have read a value of gas sensor, that is analog read gas sensor. So I am reading from the line A1 and I am making digital write as high, means by default digital write is high irrespective of the condition. Means if there is gas present or absent, green is on. Now coming to yellow, if the concentration of gas is greater than 30, then only yellow LED will be high, else it will be low. So this is ternary operator and it is checking that if value of a val is greater than 30, means gas value is greater than 30, then this is to be written as high, else it will be written as low. And then digital write orange, val greater than 50, high or low, and red when the value is greater than 80. So a very nice way here the ternary operators are used, and we have reduced the number of lines. Now I hope this code is clear, very simple code, and every time this scanning is done after a delay of 250 milliseconds, means this loop will be repeated after every 250 milliseconds. Now let's see the simulation of the circuit. Now this represents gas. So when there is no gas nearby, I'll take it here. When there is no gas nearby the sensor or in the atmosphere, this green LED is glowing. Now slowly and gradually I'll get the gas near the sensor. Means gas is spreading near the sensor. Now see, this yellow LED has turned on. Means the concentration of gas is increased in the atmosphere. Now again I am increasing the concentration. You can see this orange LED is also glowing. And finally, if it's high concentration of the gas, then this red LED is also glowing. So slow and gradually, when the concentration of gas is reduced, again one by one the LED will get turned off. So red is off, orange is off, now yellow is also off. Means there is no gas in the atmosphere now. So I hope this demonstration is clear. Now what you can do in this case for the modification, even you can connect a buzzer. That buzzer will buzz after the red LED is glowing, means when the concentration is high. As a modification, what can be done is we can connect a relay, we can connect a fan also. Now what will happen if the gas concentration is more high in the atmosphere? The relay will switch on or off and it will cut off the mains line, so it can be act as a safety device. We can connect buzzer so that if there is a concentration is high, it will beep. If I am connecting fan, if the gas concentration is very high, the exhaust fan will start to remove the gas concentration from the atmosphere outside the room. So in this way we can do many modifications and make our circuit. So I hope the concept and the interfacing of gas sensor is clear. So have a nice time, stay safe, take care, and if you like these tutorials, please don't forget to hit the bell notification and do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.